You can kind of use your gravity hands. Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I am Charlie Zena, if this is your first time here, and in today's video I am going to be showing you guys the best strategy that you should use when you're taking down your 2-strand twist, whether it's 2-strand flat twist or just a regular twist out. I'm going to show you guys how I pick my hair, a very specific strategy that I like to use so that you really do not create too much frizz as you're trying to separate your twist and fluff it out. So if you're interested in seeing that video, then make sure you just keep on watching. Alright, so right now I have 2-strand twists in my hair that I did probably like 3 days ago, you guys. But it's time to take them down. This is what they look like actually. Let me give you guys a look. These are 2-strand flat twists. So anytime I'm getting ready to undo my 2-strand twist, I like to start by first laying my edges. I like to do that first just because all the other hair is out of the way already. I said this before, but I'm gonna say it again. The only thing that really works for me with my edges is some got to be glue. It's water resistant, so it kind of works. So I just take some of this and just lay it like this. Just start to catch some of those edges. And then I like to use a toothbrush because the edge brush that I have seems a little rough. So now I go in and lay. Alright, I'm kind of satisfied with that. I am not too picky with my edges too much. Alright, so as I'm taking my twist down, I just put some coconut oil over my fingers. And first things first is I'm going to just start from the back, being super gentle. Now my hair has been in these twists for like 3 days. The hair is definitely already dry. Alright, so this is basically the first section. Okay, so I kind of messed up some of my ends there, but that's okay because you're not ever going to have no frizz at all. Okay, those girls are giving. Very much giving. I'm loving that. Guys, look, I love those curls. And you guys can see it's pretty much already separated, and based on the way I twisted my hair, it's also falling in the direction that it's supposed to fall. Alright, so all the twists are out, you guys. This is what it looks like. Alright, so when it comes to picking, you want to be very careful. I like to do separations, starting from the back. So I'm just going to pick up most of my hair from the back, like so. And pick underneath. And let some drop. That looks so much better. And then we're gonna use our fingers to just zhush it all together. And this is nice because it's also a scalp massage. Now there's some places, if you find some places that need to be picked, you lift it. You can kind of use your gravity hands. Your edges are laid, and you can also, you know, put it up. You can do it however you want to. This is the finished look, you guys. I really hope you enjoy watching. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.